As far as that case is concerned, the matter came up today before the High Court. The High Court has directed a show cause notice to be issued to that person, and the issue has to be decided within 15 days of time. In the meanwhile, the operation in that shack will remain suspended, and the Director of Tourism is supposed to pass an order after hearing the party on that show cause notice.
What are the illegalities has come into the light?
See, the illegalities, those which have come on the record, are as far as this check is concerned, it appears that it has been sublet to somebody else. Person who is alleged to have been actually managing the matter appears to be a sublessee. As far as his status is concerned, the form which is submitted to the police, as far as tenancy declaration is concerned, his residence in Goa has been shown to be blank. No place has been indicated in the residence column. So that is one illegality which is done. Thirdly, it looks like that all transactions on the shop are not in the name of the person to whom the shack was allotted. So it looks like it is a clear case of subletting, and the director will have to issue a show cause basically, and an order will have to be passed after hearing the party. The principle of natural justice will have to be followed. Order of the director is not set aside. The court has only said that he is entitled to file a reply to the director, and director will decide the case after hearing the party.